One of CTE's most packed classes this semester is small engines. Currently there is a lot of student interest in taking this class, but only 1 hour to teach it. In this short hour, students will learn the fundamentals of disassembling a small Kohler engine, cleaning it thoroughly, then reassembling it back into running condition, all before the end of the semester. It's almost a self-paced class in a way, but you still don't want to fall behind and not be able to get your engine running. I met with Skylar Gunn, a senior taking Clark's class this summer.
Doing small engines? Take apart an engine and then put it back together. I've learned a lot more about lawnmower engines than anything. It doesn't apply to bigger engines, hence the name.
With that being said, I also want to know if Mr. Clark was a good choice for teaching this class.
I think Mr. Clark is a very fair teacher, so he gives you chances to learn. If you don't take that, I mean, it's your own fault. I wouldn't have anyone else do it.
Sounds like a yes to me. If you have any questions about the class, feel free to contact Mr. Clark or Mr. Terry for any more information.